Hello everyone and welcome. I'm in a cheerful mood today because I finally have all my windows. They finally relented and came and put up all of my windows. I'm going to go withdraw my complaints to the police. Apparently that seemed to do the trick. And at least now I get to show you guys how everything is mounted, and that's it. This is the shortest update. I'm hoping I have one final update for the windows this year, but other than that we are done with the housework for this year. No more. I'm taking a break. It's a well-deserved break. So finally the windows for the bedroom are installed. I have a working door outside complete because it's a very big window, as you can clearly tell. All right, there you go. There it's full. The pane has been filled to size. It was a tiny bit small this time, but they sorted it out, thankfully. They fixed the broken window in the bathroom, and also in the basement is actually livable because except for the door, which I'm entering through right now, it's completely sealed off. The rest of the house, the doors are still missing, and there's still quite a large draft. But oh my god, the glare, it's like so powerful through the windows. And this is even with the outside things that I made. Anyway, you can see in the basement, I'm trying to spend as little time here. They're mounted over there, you can clearly see them. All right, that's it from me, and hopefully I will have one more update regarding the windows by the end of the year, because the other guys are much more serious, and I will finally have a closed off house. Oh, finally. All right, I'm gonna leave for now. If you enjoyed this short content, please subscribe, share it with a friend, like, you know, the YouTube stuff. Come on, you guys know it. Other than that, I'll see you next time. All right, bye bye.